What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I sound like shit today because I feel like shit. And we got two goobers in here today, and we're working on this thing, the Trash Panda. So it's a 2JZ 240. Right now it's got a RO54 in it, Zach?
Yeah.
So it's got RO54 in it. We're gonna be putting a cd009 in it with Massworks bell housing, McLeod twin disky. We got a little tilting slave cylinder, some other stuff. Last week we changed the turbo on it, and it's got excess power turbo manifold on it. Yeah, it's got excess power turbo manifold on it, and it was set up for a single 44 gate, and it would creep. So I modified the manifold a couple weeks back to accept a twin gate. Pain in my ass, never wanted to do it again. Had to sacrifice one manifold to make one manifold work. So we got that done. It's on AM Infinity. It's got some retarded ACT clutch in it right now that feels like it's driven by a string. And it's got flex fuel, all this good shit. Some bigs and littles, 4-inch full exhaust. So sick little car. So we're gonna go ahead, get this trans put in here. We gotta do some stuff with the shifter. Hopefully we can get it to work. And then we gotta push it outside because we don't have a drive shaft, because we still have to measure for one. So stick with us. Hopefully we don't drop the new trans that we put in. We can drop the old trans off. If anybody's looking for a RO54, holler at your boy in the comment section, because we're gonna have one for sale. Shit's good, doesn't grind. We just want a better ratio trans. So yeah. How's Zachariah? What we got going on here?
Taking this raggedy transmission out.
The transmission about to come out?
Yeah.
So is it time for my hands to get dirtier?
Yep.
For the back side to look like the front side?
Yep. I'm getting close to you.
This is the definition of Blackphillbuilt right there. Now, they almost got the trans out. So I guess I gotta come in here with my pry bar expertise and pry this thing off. And damn, I hope that we about to have to fight this other bell housing.
Nah, they already massaged their tonal some.
Oh yeah, man, the other bell housing look kind of round.
Yeah, it's kind of beefy. We'll have to massage it some more.
Yeah. You know, we're gonna have to dry fit it first.
Yeah.
Before we put the clutch on it, that way we ain't struggling.
Yep. There. I don't really see the tip of the implant. Brandon holding my hand like he holding something. Keep putting it. She goes. Yeah, Oh yeah, you ugly dog them enough.
So you didn't torque it? There's no torque?
Yeah, right here.
That's unacceptable. No, I don't never torque flywheel bolts. Anyway, so after a 3-take struggle to pull the trans out, we finally got it out. We got the old clutch out, and putting the new clutch in right now. And then we're gonna slide the new transmission in. Where it's at is unknown to man right now, but you know, we'll get to that point eventually. Is that a billet? Damn.
Yes, that will never be used again. They paid $58 for, but shout out to Grannis Racing.
You know, we could have just bought a junk cd009 for like $10 and cut the shaft out of it. That's what I do with broken K-series transmissions. I just use the input shaft out of it.
Well, here we are now. Anybody need a billet cd009 alignment tool?
Yeah.
I got it.
We'll rent it out to you for $10 a use plus shipping.
Yep.
Are you gonna torque these down?
I was gonna let you torque them.
I'm gonna torque things.
That's fine.
The only thing I torque are head studs, main studs, rod bolts. That's it.
That's fine.
And cam cap bolts.
I was gonna let you tighten them.
Everything else gets to impact or hand tight.
Yeah. Fuck.
More than likely to impact. Hey, 16 years of doing this shit, I ain't never had a flywheel come off, so I must be doing something right.
Yep. We must be doing something right, bud. Where's that gun at? 3/8 gun. Over there. Phil's gonna hold the camera and do it at the same time.
And do what? Hit the other Douglas?
Yeah.
Oh, bud.
We gotta make sure this is not.
It's like Chick-fil-A. It's my pleasure. Oh.
Yep.
You're gonna be doing some rotating. Where you can actually do the right thing and torque it. We don't do the right thing around here. We street race. We are for the street.
Oh no.
Bro, my hair is cleaning the bottom of your car right now, just to let you know.
Yeah?
I'm gonna need you to wash my hair later.
It's bad to have no tools around here, you know?
That's bad when you have the tools and it don't work. Better start doing some rotating, pal. Are you gonna? That's don't put an extension on it. No, it's not my legs, buddy. Rotate the crank.
I don't have the socket. I'm gonna have a wrench.
A wrench.
The socket.
Yeah,
the socket.
That's real tight there, buddy.
What is that? 24 or something?
Yeah.
Oof, 15/16.
I got a 24.
Socket?
Yeah.
You go put it in there.
Youth
Big
Pastor
boy.
Munger done found the socket.
Youth pastor Munger.
Youth pastor. Y'all didn't know. Saw buddy Brandon right there. Saw a youth pastor.
Got a slow ass 94 Super.
Yeah. It's probably slowly gonna convert to a 2J channel. Real soon. Everybody's gonna be like, oh, your content's so unrelatable now. Why you do all this 2J stuff? What happened to the Civics and the LS
Brandon,
stuff?
rotate it. Hey, make sure you rotate it the right way there,
But
bud.
that did not sound good. Why did it squeak?
I don't know. Is it not moving?
Maybe that ratchet's
Is that
broke.
shit loose? Hold on.
Ain't no way the crank bolt's loose.
Oh, God, I hate life.
Bud, your crank bolt was loose.
Yo, it's loose.
You about 1 2-step hit from being Aladdin.
Oh no.
Would have been in a
And
junkyard.
The 2JZ crank bolt stupid tight.
Mm.
Oh no.
Buddy, you know what we're gonna have?
Yo.
We's about to 2J that bitch out the block.
Oh no.
Mercy. Can you imagine how many hits we've made on this thing since you've had it?
Yeah.
How many times we put it on 2-step?
Oh no.
Hey, shout
Maybe.
out to Lone Star Performance out in
Star Motorsports.
Texas.
I mean, I could keep tightening it.
How we doing, bud?
I need a. Oh no.
Did we just find that on camera?
Yeah,
We found that on camera.
that's crazy.
That's crazy.
Bro, that's fucking wild.
They did not even tighten.
Maybe that's why they never hooked the 2-step up, because they knew the crank bolt was gonna come out.
Yo.
Unbelievable.
If it ain't one thing, it's another.
Surprise, motherfuckers. All eyes, motherfucker. Small fry, motherfucker. Make sure it's tight, motherfucker. Oh no, rotate it again, make sure that's tight, man. We need to triple, quadruple check things around here.
Hey, make sure these fucking
Oh yeah,
lines
these
ain't
fuel
leaking.
lines gives me so much anxiety, dog. If your car was any lower,
Yeah,
we would call this bitch Torch instead of Trash Panda.
yeah. Keep going. Keep going. Alright.
That is
Unbelievable.
I guess we gotta check every fucking thing.
Yeah. Well, this
Well,
is
I mean,
subframe bolts were tight.
Yeah.
At least those were tight.
I'll tell you what wasn't right. The rear end they said that it had.
Yeah, the rear end, the bajillion boost leaks.
flashback from the
Literally building myself.
A new car.
Yeah.
This is what happens when you buy other people's projects.
Yeah. It's fucking. It wasn't supposed to be a project. Here we are.
Well, that trans was definitely a project.
Yeah. Should have went A340.
Oh, what?
A340 to go fast.
What the hell is that, an auto trans?
Yeah.
Oh, gay?
It's like we got that man pedal, baby.
Are you a homosexual?
Are you good with the uggos that I did?
Yeah.
I'm good with them too.
I'm good.
Now we gotta do some modification to the trans.
Yeah. Do a shifter thingy.
Yep.
Kajingy. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
All right, Brandon's over there clearancing the shifter spot for the shifter, and I pretty much just made a shifter relocation bracket for the trans. Well, here's the trans, cd009 from up here, Maswork bell housing. Got a little Billet Johnny back in here somewhere that says what it is. It is a 2J, the cd009 bell housing. We pretty much did the whole bell housing thing in like, I don't know, 20 minutes, I think. We just cut the old bell housing off, which we have over there on the floor, and then we had to cut a 3/8 whatever off of this. You got the throb bearing on here already? No, you got a tilt and throb bearing with the spacer on it that you got from Granite's. And here's the shifter relocation bracket. These are seat locators, Skunk Tooth seat locators from K-Series head. So these are billet washer brackets, whatever. We took like 3.5 or 4 inches off the whole shifter, and then we modified this arm right here. So the shifter will sit here and it'll do its little yammy. Hopefully it works. I've never done it before, so we're pretty much experimenting. So if it doesn't work, you're gonna have to take the car to somebody who knows what they're doing.
Yep.
Because right now we just fucking guessing. Oh, we gotta take the snipple off, don't we?
It's just
Actually,
yeah,
actually no, we don't, because
I think it'd be fine.
the part that we're worried about is from like here to here and putting it in. But after Brandon's done with that, we're gonna go ahead and attempt to put this thing in there. We may struggle again, and I'm probably gonna fall out. I'm old and I'm fat, and I don't like this. I don't like this. I like it, but I don't like it. What is it, Zachariah? It is in. And here you have it, cd009 to 2J conversion, pretty much wrapped up. We gotta get a drive shaft made, and my boy over here has to order this trans bracket. By the way, LS poly mount will bolt directly to a cd009 trans. So hopefully the one that he gets uses a thinner mount, because this one's super thick. Maybe does it use the same mount?
I don't know.
Because the like 350 CG35 mounts, the bolt goes through it this way. So hopefully it uses a mount that's like this, because that'll be substantial.
Yes, it would.
Hopefully when we put the bolts back in the motor thing, the subframe to bring it up, that this bracket doesn't make too much contact with this what's right there.
Yeah,
because that's how much room we got to work with right now. Yeah.
Oh, they do it.
Yeah. So we got a G35 diff in here also, because it also was supposed to come with a 300ZX diff. Didn't come with shit, but a stock 240
stock
diff.
240 diff. Didn't like boost.
Yeah, did not like boost.
What does it look like?
Looks good. You got like a cunt here. Please don't demonetize me for that word. Can you say cunt on YouTube?
I don't know.
Some people don't like it. I feel like it's a appropriate word for some things.
She's in. That's all that matters.
She's in. That's all that matters.
She ain't going nowhere
Yeah.
either.
Gotta do a little bit more cutting.
Yep.
As y'all can see right here. To fit the shifter in there. And get drive shaft done. We gotta get these bleeder lines. We need to get a speed bleeder and another like 6 hand. Do you put the 6 hand? Where's the 6 hand and 6 hand? Okay, all right. So yeah, we gotta do this line to the master, and then one to the speed bleeder, which will probably just like hang it right here. So somewhere, yeah, we'll stick it up Zach's ass and bleed the clutch fluid into it, and then we go make about 950 on this thing. Send the rods back to Japan
And build a motor.
and then build a motor and do this all over again.
This amazing life of cd009.
Honestly, a drug addiction, yo. So the trans is like an angle right now. It's gonna have to go up more. Look,
It is.
that's angling on the dangling right now. So yeah, you're gonna have to. I fucking hate you. I wish you would have just bought the damn shit to relocation thing.
I'm about to go buy it tonight.
Yeah, I swear to God, bro. You gonna buy me my next tank of damn argon. You're making me weld all the shit.
Oh.
Un-
Great.
Unbelievable. No, it probably won't be that bad. You're just gonna have to cut more of this out.
Yeah.
Get a sawzall. Yeah. And then a body saw.
Yep.
Alright guys, that's gonna end this video. I don't know what the hell I'm gonna video next. I'm just doing random shit all the time. Hopefully Zach comes around more because I need a new camera guy. My last one quit. Said I was mean. Went to go work for a window company. Throwing shade at Jason. Nah, Jason's still cool.
Y'all stay tuned for Blackphillbuilt. We're about to be back on the market.
What do you mean back? What is that supposed to mean? What do you mean back on the market?
We're about to fuck everybody up.
Oh, okay. All right, you got to clear that up. You can't put Blackphillbuilt and on the market in the same sentence, my boy.
And Morrison built.
Yeah.
Can't forget old Morrison built.
Morrison ain't coming back, bro. We done lost that man to
Yeah.
speakers.
Yeah.
Watch, he gonna see shit like, man, y'all motherfuckers wanna talk shit. And he gonna take his K20 home and put a piston in a night.
Focus all.
On the kitchen counter, and he gonna come in. We gonna come in here one day. Morrison done learn how to TIG weld. Done damn built himself a turbo kit.
Yeah.
Had Myth running overnight. He gonna tell me something happened to the shop and I can't come in for a couple days. You gonna be in here in the lab
Hey, they're gonna
concocting shit.
yeah. Oh.
All right, y'all. As always, comment, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see y'all guys in the next upload.